So the driver's side, we're almost 99.5% done. What we gotta do is get the boot on the bottom ball joint sealed over the ring on the bottom and put the spring collar on it. Now we're on the passenger side, and what we discovered when we lifted the wheel off the ground, that there was a little bearing plate in the wheel, like up and down and side to side motion. So we decided to take the caliper out because we looked at the rotor, and the rotor seemed like it was dragging on the inside pad on the caliper. And what we discovered is that the bearing being loose, you can see right here, this is the spindle. It's okay on the top right here, it's very smooth. If I run my finger through it, it doesn't bite at all. But on the bottom, you can see my fingernail gets caught up in that edge right there. You can almost see there's a lip. There's a lip on it. Right here, you can see there's a ridge. Like right there. I don't know how we're gonna fix that. The bearing on the inside looked really good. We had to split the hub from the rotor, which had 5 or 6 nuts and bolts in it. The rotor's right here. Just cleaned it. I'm gonna take it inside, and you can see look how worn out the inside is compared to the outside. It's almost like halfway through. So we're hoping we can turn this and it gets better. Like that's the skinny side, and it's got a thick side right here. Here it's very, very thick, and here it's very, very thin. So we're assuming that happened. Oh, there's five bolt holes. You have nuts on the inside. These are the nuts and the bolts. What we're thinking happened is it was just playing here, and the wheel was doing this every time you drove and rubbing on the pad. If you look on the back of the rotor, you can see scratch marks on it. So it looks pretty even. It's not past the wear mark right here. And then on the side right here, there's some markings. This is a 73 Jaguar XKE. So there's our markings. Let's see, it says AIMCO 3479 Delta 2429 minimum TH 2.9 millimeter, 22.9 millimeter. So we're gonna take this down to CarQuest and see if they can turn it down for us, and then we'll slap this together. We gotta do the top ball joints, top ball joint, bottom ball joint, top wishbone bushings. These don't look too bad, but I think they're rubber. They're not the polyurethane ones. But look at the bottom. The bottoms are completely gone. There's like nothing left. Absolutely like nothing left.